Welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we're going to discuss our third question. What is that here? Prove that 3 times the square of any side of an equilateral triangle. So they are given that this is equilateral triangle, square of 3 sides. So 3 times of square of any side of equilateral triangle is equal to the 4 times of square of the altitude. So here they're asking, so what are the given conditions? Let's go into write what are the given conditions here. Given that here triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. Triangle ABC is equilateral triangle, first condition, and equilateral triangle means AB will be equal to BC will be equal to CA. All the sides will be equal in length. So all the sides will be equal in length. And here AD is altitude. Altitude is nothing but height of the triangle. Altitude is nothing but height of the triangle, and AD will be perpendicular to BC. So it is making 90 degrees here. So AD is making 90 degrees with the BC. So these are the given conditions. Next, what is that? Required to prove RTP. So required to prove is 3 times of square of any sides. Let side will be equal to square of the AB square. So square of any side 3 times will be equal to 4 times of square of its altitude. So AD square. So 3AB square will be equal to 4AD square. We have to show that one. Then what is the proof? So let's write it proof for this. So proof is, so we know that is AB is equals to AC. So AB will be equal to AC. And it is given. So why? Because all the sides will be AC and equal to BC also. So in triangle ADB and ADC. So let consider triangle ADB and ADC. So these are the two triangles we are considered here. So in these two triangles, AB will be equal to AC. AB will be equal to AC. Why? Because these are the hypotenuse. In both the triangles, hypotenuse are equal, and what you can take it here is AD is a common. AD will be equal to AD one side, and angle ADB will be equal to angle ADC, that will be equal to 90 degrees. So this is hypotenuse. That is hypotenuse. This is side. That is, what is that? Common side. Side common, and this is 90 degrees, that is right angle. So what you can write? Right angle. So these are the right angles. Now what is this? So by using of RHS, right angle hypotenuse side congruency principle, congruence criterion, by using of congruency criterion, what you can write it here is triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC. So those two triangles are congruent to each other. So for that you can take it BD will be equal to CD. That is BD will be equal to CD. So from this BD will be equal to CD. BD will be equal to CD. So if two triangles are similar, then corresponding sides also equal. So from this corresponding sides are equal in triangle ADB and triangle ADC. So in corresponding sides are equal in triangle ADB and ADC. What you can write it here as, let's consider triangle ADB. So triangle ADB, in that by using, that is right angle. So that is right angle, right triangle, you can write that one. So from Pythagoras theorem, so Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, what you can write here as AB square will be equal to sum of BD square plus AD square. So here AD is already there, AB is there, but we have to convert only BD. So BD we have to convert it in the format of either, BD will be converted in the format of either AD or AB. So BD you can convert in the format of AB. So that implies, let's write AD. So AD square as it is, BD square is the half of the AB. So why? Because BD, since what you can write here, BD is equal to half of the BC, that is half of the AB. Can you write like this or not? Yes, we can write it. So let's write it. AB square will be equal to BD, you can write it as half of the AB whole square plus AD square. Can you write like this or not? Yes, AB square will be equal to 1 by 4th AB square plus AD square. Can you write like this or not? Yes, we can write it. That implies you can shift this side, AB square minus 1 by 4th AB square, that will be equal to AD square. So that implies you can write, that implies, so AB square, 4AB square minus AB square by 4 will be equal to AD square. That implies 4AB square minus AB square will be equal to 3AB square, will be equal to 3AB square by AD square. That implies 3AB square will be equal to 4AD square. Hence, it is proved. So, what you can write here, hence proved. So, this is the way. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.